In this section, we are going to implement the list reviews feature that allows the admin user to see, to view all the reviews posted by the customer on the website. As you can see in this user interface diagram for the list review page here, you see the most recent reviews displayed first. So this list is sorted by the few review on here. And let's see the list review sequence diagram. When the admin user clicks reviews hyperlink in the admin section here, click the reviews hyperlink here, the list review sublet is invoked, and in turn it invokes the list all review method on an instance of the review services class, and in turn it calls the list all method of the review DAO class, and in turn it invokes the